You all may be seated. Mr. Johnson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Just bringing her to court today to try to increase my child support. We have 3 kids together.
2.
Well,
You have a kid, and we have 2.
I forgot she never claimed my other one, so we have 2 kids together. She's a realtor. I'm a school teacher. She makes quite a bit of money.
Ma'am, could you please let him finish before you keep interrupting him?
I
promise you.
Whole relationship
I promise you.
I'm gonna let her finish.
I can promise.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Judge Code. Today in courtroom JVB 106, emotions run high as Mr. Johnson, a dedicated school teacher, takes the mother of his children to court. He's seeking an increase in child support, citing her high income as a realtor. With 2 children under his care and $500 a month in health insurance, he argues he needs more financial help. But tensions flare as both parties dig into their past, their finances, and each other. Judge Vunderbee steps in to refocus on the children's needs. Let's break down what really happened in this heated hearing.
I will get to you as soon as I'm done with him, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem.
Just like you could get to whatever
Okay,
you gotta
Your Honor,
do.
I am sorry.
Back to you.
It's okay. Go ahead.
Don't make me upset.
Please don't get upset. Let's focus on the facts and the children.
All right, I'm bringing her to court today to try to increase my child support. We have 2 kids together, as I stated before I was interrupted. She makes quite a bit of money. I'm a school teacher. I only make $50,000. Kids are on my insurance.
How much is your insurance?
My insurance is $500 a month.
All right. And it's you and the 3 children on there?
Correct.
Okay.
And I mean, I just need a little help.
Mr. Johnson, earning $50,000 annually as a school teacher, explains he's covering insurance and housing for the 2 children he shares with the defendant. He points out that she makes significantly more $150,000 annually yet. According to him, contributes little to the children's academic and daily needs. Judge Vunderbee listens carefully, asking about the children's educational struggles and confirming insurance coverage. While the courtroom remains tense, the focus shifts to whether the mother's earnings should increase her support obligations. The children's well-being, once again, becomes the court's top priority.
She helps everybody else, but she doesn't help the kids like she should. The 2 kids that we do have together, struggling in school, they're falling behind. I just feel like the amount of money that she pays for all the luxury stuff she has, the Louis V bag, she should put that money towards tutoring for our children or something. I see her looking at me. She knows everything I'm saying is accurate, so it is what it is.
Okay.
Any assistance I can get is greatly appreciated.
Okay, now you say you want to increase child support.
Yeah.
How much money are you getting right now from her?
$450, and I feel like
$450.
I don't know how she finessed us.
The mother, a confident real estate flipper, claims Mr. Johnson's frustration stems from their failed relationship, not the children's needs. She argues that her career path and financial choices shouldn't make her responsible for more than what the law requires. But when she admits to making $150,000 per year, Judge Vunderbee quickly reminds her that child support laws aren't about emotion, they're about income and custody. The courtroom gets tense as both parties trade insults, prompting the judge to bring things back to the facts and the children.
System like that to, yes, y'all may need to look into that too.
You so mad that you
The
broke.
Oh, ma'am, don't do that. Don't do that.
I didn't tell him to be a little teacher. That was on him.
Listen,
I'm a
I done
hustler.
tell you to
Like,
sell the little houses you sell either.
little houses?
Little houses.
But you taking me to child support court. Oh, okay.
'Cause I need your little, I'm not ashamed to say I need your little money.
Okay, go ahead.
It is what it is.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. I got choked up.
I'm sorry too.
Yeah,
Lord.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you got your
sorry.
little
I'm sorry I ain't
job
got
and you
in-
need my
in a
little
relationship
money.
with you, honestly.
know? No, I've been told you couldn't handle me. You couldn't handle somebody like me.
As the arguments heat up, both parents reveal personal grievances. The father accuses the mother of prioritizing luxury over their children's needs, while she insists he declined to get on game with her real estate ventures. Despite the courtroom jabs, Judge Vunderbee maintains order and redirects attention to the children's current living situation and educational needs. The turning point comes when Judge Vunderbee begins calculating support based on the mother's disclosed income. The law becomes the loudest voice in the room.
But you kept at
I
it.
won't
You
want
knew
to.
who I was.
I didn't get my
You
first
knew
gray hair
who
until I met
was.
you, though.
You knew who I was. You're a whole teacher
wanna
and you're
forget who
asking
you
for
was.
tutoring for our children?
Yes, that's what they need, don't they? So they
Okay.
can provide
Okay.
their kids with all of this luxury.
Did y'all want me to step out?
Look how fly she is. I had to go to Ross before I came here and buy this little old get up. Look at her.
Did y'all need me to
goodness.
leave while you all finish
You
this?
gotta leave,
I'm
'cause I need
sorry.
some help.
I'm
I know if
sorry.
you leave, you might not come back. It's a long
You're
day.
absolutely
So,
right.
But
I'ma
he's
let you
been throwing
finish.
daggers since he got in here. I ain't
let
say
you-
nothing to you. You so mad. It's okay.
I'm gonna hit the mannequin challenge on her right now. Just be quiet.
All right.
Okay. Is there anything further before I move?
Texas law has a cap on income used to calculate child support, something many don't know. While the mother earns $150,000 per year, the law only allows child support. Calculations up to $9,200 in net resources per month. Judge Vunderbee walks both parties through the math, setting the support at $2,300 plus $255 to reimburse the father's health insurance costs. Total, $2,550. The mother looks stunned, arguing that her income fluctuates depending on house flips. But the judge reminds her she clearly stated her earnings.
Over to her?
Nope.
Okay. Now, ma'am,
Yes.
first off, don't call him a little teacher. That's not nice. Don't do that. That is not nice. He is a teacher.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Don't be sorry.
sorry.
Just don't do it.
Okay.
All right.
I won't do it.
Now, what is it you want me to know?
Your Honor, look, I am just trying to make a living. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't, we all have different paths. He chose to be a teacher. I chose to be a real estate agent. That's all. You know what I'm saying? And I just be getting slack from him because I'm in real estate, you know?
Do y'all
Like,
not
I
get
do-
along?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Judge Vunderbee firmly reminds the courtroom that parenting comes with responsibilities, regardless of relationship status or income. When the mother asks if driving her children to tutoring could reduce her payment, the judge shuts it down quickly. That's called parenting. The courtroom quiets, with both parties starting to realize this isn't about who's right, it's about what's right for the children. The ruling stands, $2,550 monthly. The judge has spoken, and the law has been upheld.
The
Okay.
truth.
First of all, all this
No,
that she-
excuse me, wait a minute. Wait a
all
minute.
this that
She
forgot,
said
man.
that she was going to give each one of our turns to talk, right?
You
already
interrupted
said-
You
said
did
the whole
interrupt him a
time.
couple of times, though.
Okay.
I'm
All
just
right.
saying, all
He
this
was
shit
due to
is
give you
because
one.
Okay.
your ex that y'all used to
Okay.
flip houses, he let you keep them, and that's how your business started. So if you go keep it 100, keep it all the way 100.
Okay.
Okay.
But what did I do? I used what I had, right?
Not for
to
tutoring.
level up.
Not for
to level
tutoring.
up.
Not
to
for
level
tutoring.
up. To level
Not
up.
for tutoring.
Okay, so you're mad.
I am mad.
Your Honor,
My
the
kids can't
reaction-
spell.
Sir,
My
sir.
son in the 7th grade counting on his fingers. That's
Sir,
embarrassing.
But they live with you. You go to work for
Throughout the hearing, Judge Vunderbee maintains control while both parents continue to exchange verbal jabs. The father, clearly emotional, claims the children are falling behind in school and lacking basic support. The mother counters with accusations about his financial jealousy and undermines his career. But the judge doesn't waver, redirecting the conversation to the facts and enforcing the guidelines under Texas law. Drama aside, justice is quietly unfolding.
from 9 to
Well,
5.
how about
My
you
schedule
help?
is flexible.
You can
So
help.
with that extra time,
Mr.
what should
Johnson.
you be doing?
Mr. Johnson.
You should be helping our children, right?
Mr.
You
Johnson.
should be helping our children, right?
You said you were going to do the mannequin challenge, right?
Sorry.
So no loud outbursts. Don't be so mad. You're here today for me to help you, right?
Right.
Okay. So you can't get in your feelings and be distracted from what it is that you want.
Catch flights.
Can you
Okay.
Not feelings. Catch flights. Not feelings.
Okay. Now
Don't catch these
Catch
hands.
flights.
Continue.
Not feelings. Okay, so Your Honor, basically he's upset because him and I are no longer together.
I'm upset. It's a blessing. It's a blessing.
The judge sharply criticizes both parties for their outbursts and sarcastic remarks, reminding them that courtroom decisions are not driven by pettiness. As both parents argue over housing conditions, Judge Vunderbee turns the tables, asking the father why he's living in a flipped home if it's as run down as he claims. The courtroom falls quiet. What was meant to be a dig quickly becomes a moment of self-reflection and A reminder that courtroom strategy should never overshadow child welfare.
That is the real
Don't
You
say I'm
still
upset.
like her?
Yes.
No.
It's okay.
I need the money, the financial
It's okay.
support.
Oh,
You
okay.
can like
He need the
me.
I don't
money.
even like
We
the
got
houses. I don't even like
history.
the
You
houses
can-
she sell. They fall apart.
It doesn't
Oh.
matter.
Keep it, they fall
It doesn't
apart.
matter. But you got me here for my money.
Ma'am, are
These
you,
These falling apart houses is what's gonna make you money, right?
ma'am, are you selling lemon homes?
No, ma'am, I'm
Lemon.
not. No, ma'am, I'm not.
They
I am
ain't-
a flipper. Flipper.
Okay.
Flipper.
What is a flipper exactly?
So basically what you do is you purchase a home and you fix it up and you sell it.
Okay. That sounds like a nice little income.
Correct.
Right? How much are you making?
As the case winds down, Judge Vunderbee finalizes the child support judgment, $2,550 per month. The father appears relieved. The mother looks stunned, saying her income varies month, but the judge stands firm, reminding her that her own testimony declared a $150,000 income. And that's what the ruling is based on. Emotional reactions aside, the law has been served. It's a decision that puts the children first.
I'm making $150,000 a
Okay.
year.
All right.
First of all, the inspector, everybody for these houses are family members. So they say it looks good.
Oh
People move
my
in.
goodness, really? But what
My
do you
bad.
and the kids stay in? You stay in one of my flipped houses, right? Right.
Y'all stay in the flipper?
Right?
We stay in the flip.
Thank
Oh,
you.
okay.
So what's the problem?
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, that's not a
I can't
legitimate.
afford
you-
that, so I gotta stay in the
Right,
flip.
right.
That's not a legitimate
I gotta stay.
argument
So
then, sir. If
mad.
you're
You
if
so
you and the
mad.
children are staying in the home, you can't try to use it. What you say, throw a dagger? You can't throw a dagger at her
Yes.
if you and the children are living in one of these, as you call it, houses that are falling apart. That doesn't say much about
In closing, Judge Vunderbee reminds everyone watching that family court is about the best interests of the children, not adult conflict or past resentment. Despite the heated exchanges, the ruling was simple: a fair child support amount based on income and custody. This case highlights the importance of presenting facts, staying composed, and remembering why the court exists. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more from Judge Code.